will need 4 eggs, 20 milliliters of milk in a bowl, and in a separate bowl you need 350 grams of flour. I'm gonna do half. I'm doing 200 grams white flour and 150 grams wholemeal flour, 5 grams of salt, 7 grams of yeast, and 30 grams of sugar. Never mix the salt with the yeast, they have to be in separate corners. 200 grams of dried cranberries which have been chopped, and I'm going to use smoked paprika and a bit of thyme. You can also use chili flakes. Also 200 grams of salted butter. So these are all the ingredients. We're going to whisk the eggs and the milk first, and then add it all into the dry ingredients. So once it's ready, put it in a bowl, cover it with cling film, and we're gonna leave it in the fridge overnight. So we come back to this beauty tomorrow. Stay tuned. So next day, and I've split my dough in half after it's been risen in the fridge all night. And now we're going to do like little rolls that we're going to cut in. And try and do 10 and 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a bit more then. You want little round balls of dough. That's what we want. So let's see now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grab a bit of your flour and you just pinch it on one side and you just make little balls. And we have here a tray with the paper on it. You can use the cheese case if it's a wooden case. Mine is just a plastic one, so I'm going to use a proper tray. We're going to put the cheese inside here. So now we're going to put all the rolls all around the tray until we fill them all up. Alright guys, so all done. And now we're going to cover it up. It should double in size. If you're using normal flour, it will, because I used wholemeal flour. Mine hasn't risen too much, but it's fine. And then you just leave it aside for another hour, and then we're going to bake. Okay guys, so it's been rising a bit more for about an hour, and now we're going to brush it all with egg. And I've already put the camembert cheese in the middle. It's gonna melt together with the bread, and we're only going to bake it for about 20-25 minutes at 180. Have a look at it, see if it looks baked. If not, you can leave it for a bit longer. So I'll see you when it's ready. There it is, it's out of the oven, it's so hot. Look at that cheese. Yum. Tear and share. Dip in the cheese and enjoy. Look at those cranberries. And it smells absolutely delicious. So not that hard to make, and I hope you enjoyed. I will see you next time for more yumminess.